This is my 1914 Indian Twin. I'll tell you a little bit about the bike. It's all original parts, original frame. It's some messenger seats, a 20th century headlight. The tail is correct for 1914. 3-speed manual transmission. It's a 7 horsepower. All the parts on this bike are correct and original. Original parts. They're not reproduction. The frame and engine. It's an F designation, which means it's a 1914 Indian. Indian started production 1901 and ceased production 1953. Now we had quite a bit of help with the knowledge from Jersey Jon, who's a very avid Indian expert, and he helped us with the restoration of this particular bike. It's the engine's F, which signifies 1914. With my dealings with my good friend Jersey Jon from American Pickers, we were talking one day, and he said he had this beautiful Indian frame and engine, and I said, well, I'd like to put it together. So that's how I got this thing together, and from there we sourced out the rest of the parts, and we did this restoration, but certainly with the help of Jersey. In fact, a lot of parts purchased through Mike Wolf and Jersey Jon Slazay, and were very helpful in that, and we got it and put it together, and here it is, available for sale. It's a real frame. It's not a reproduction frame. It's all real, and which is kind of important these days, because a lot of these things are being made. They're not real. This one is real. This is a real, 100% real motorcycle, which is pretty important, especially with the engine and the chassis. If you have a real engine and chassis, you get a real motorcycle. Naturally, through the years, fenders have been changed, and sometimes you change a gas tank or this and that, even on any bikes today. But when you have a real frame and engine to match that frame, you get a real bike. And that's what this is. This is a real Indian, and all real parts on it, and just a good restoration. It took us approximately 6 months to put it together, but here it is. She's done. It's a nice, fresh restoration.